The dinner bell has rung. Man, oh man, I can't get over the fish today. That is a beauty. Yes, sir, buddy, I got you. My son, steady action. What a fish. Oh. Good morning, girlies. Good morning, everybody. It's about 6 a.m. now. Andrew's just on the way to pick me up. We're going to hook up the Seadoos, and we're going to head down to one of our big fishing areas for today. We usually do this trip once or twice a year. The weather's pretty good, and I'd say the fish are going to be biting today, hopefully anyway. We'll see what happens, so stick around. Here we go. Andrew got the new Seadoo Fish Pro, top of the line, boy. Man, oh man, he's outdoing me already. What a vessel. This one is meant just for fishing. Everything's all snapped in place perfectly. You even got a spot you can put a fishing seat, swivels around there. Built-in depth sounder, fish finder. Man, oh man, she got it all. Now we got to be able to catch fish on it. Just getting ready now to load up there, and a couple of young fellas is there, watches the channel. Fans, what's your name?
Max Bishop and Easton Gavin.
Easton Gavin. Cool, guys. Glad to I've seen you around. Nice to finally meet you on the fishing trail. And you guys are going fishing today, right?
Yeah.
Have a good day fishing. Enjoy your time in the woods, eh?
We will.
There you go, yeah. Might have to upgrade to a Fish Pro, boy. Well, I might have to go buy a new Seadoo. Worked that out for about an hour. It's the first time in, I don't know, 7 or 8 years that Seadoo, or Wave Runner in this case, didn't go. So I changed plugs. We worked at it for 45 minutes or an hour, helped with our friends there from Loud City, and thanks to the guys who helped us out there. And so they're going up ahead of us. We got their in-reach number, which is a great security, so we're both going to go up on Andrew's new beast. Just go up to the first set of rapids here. Water's a bit low, so it's a bit tricky this time. I gotta say, guys, I never felt so secure before coming up across the lake and the rapids and that thing. It's like a big boat. She never even varied left, right, or anything else. Comfortable. Very, very stable. Built-in anchor. Come on. Okay, brother, you get the first cast. Okay, that's it. You only get the first cast free. Now it kicks in. Still got him, buddy? Last, didn't you? Oh, Andrew had a nice fish there. He got him right in the boy's feet, didn't you? Yeah. Oh, he bit, look. Right there, buddy. Right in tight to the shore. Just had one on there. Bit right away, look. Smaller one, I think. Smaller one-ish, look. Got him. There you go. Not a bad size one-ish, but there you go, look. Not a bad fish, but put him back now. There's a couple of 3 of them there. A single barbless hook. It's good for letting them go. There you go, brother. Oh, another one-ish. Oh yeah, they're plentiful there. Look at that, look. Just like a salmon. Well, I tell you, that's a nice little one-ish, that is. Safe little catch. Easy to release. Oh, a nice one here, guys. Real nice one, I do believe. And get Andrew come up with the net there now. Nice fish. Hang on now, hang on now. Oh my.
You want me to get down on the other side of you?
Sure. Beautiful, beautiful brook trout. What? Whoa. I think he saw you, buddy. All right. Oh. Oh. There you go, man. Oh. He's trying to make me lose, isn't he?
trying to make me lose, he is. There you go. Here's the time. Right there, buddy. Ho, 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 ho. What a beauty. Huh?
Yes, boy.
Hoo, hoo, hoo. Just going to release that one, but I see I struck his gill there, so we were planning on taking maybe one fish each today like this, so I'll take that one. That way I'll be extra careful now and try for the next one. Beautiful, beautiful brook trout, guys. Look. This is Jeremy and Hunter Warford. Always watches the channel. Buddy even got his everything outdoors hoodie on. Look, what beautiful fish, guys! Unreal, unreal, unreal. And there's still some up there, you say? Is it?
Hopefully.
Still? We're gonna try. Wicked, beautiful fish. Andrew got into one there. You able to get in the shore? Yes. Put out the net. Maybe. Nice little trout though. Well, after catching a few fish, you know, nothing major, and what we caught there so far we released except for that one. We're soon going to have a lunch. Now it's about 12 o'clock. Let the pools rest a bit, and the sun is out and it's a beautiful day. And we'll continue on as if we were normal. Well, just having a little lunch and I flicked out there and hooked a little trout. Okay, buddy, Andrew's into one. Nice fish, yeah. Nice fish. Oh, yeah. Beautiful, beautiful fish, boy. Boy, it's nice fish, isn't it?
It is.
Yeah, it's a beautiful fish, eh? Yep. There you go, buddy. Oh, yeah. Sir, 2 casts, 2 fish. Nice. Boy. Trout, there, thousands. There you go, buddy. Right on, boy. Same sort of size. Haul them in. Let her go again. Oh, that's a nice little fish again. Just look at the beautiful colors on those fish. Beautiful native trout we got here in Labrador. There you go, buddy. Andrew's hauling another one. Well, Andrew's all the way down there. He just yelled out. He said he had a nice fish on there, and I'm pretty sure he released it as well. So I think we'll gather up our stuff and head up the river a little further. Still not that late in the day, so we'll keep at it. It's a beautiful day, fun, out with your son. I mean, it's very rewarding, very good. It's okay, mommy. Mommy trying to tow us away. We're not gonna touch you. Nice little trout, buddy. Little chunky one.
Yes, sir.
Chunky monkey. Well, I think the goose like this rock. We're gonna call this Goose Rock. Bait her up, nice juicy worm. Seems pretty quiet here in the middle of the day now. Fish are not quite the same, but another cool feature of this particular Seadoo is that it got what's called IDF, Intelligent Debris something. Basically, if you suck up a rock or something, you can shut it off, turn it back on, reverse the props, spit the rock back out, you're on your way again. And he had to use it last time. Gotten home. This boy. Pretty much every cast you nailed one there, didn't you?
Yeah.
Smaller one, eh? I'm getting a lot of fish today, but they are smaller. We're used to getting some bigger ones, but I mean, that's a decent trout there, see? Normally that would be a nice meal there. Beauty. My son, steady action. Beautiful pan-sized fish. Oh, a little one-ish. This boy. It's a landlocked salmon, boy. Nice, easy. He's gonna go in a second. There you go. I just hooked one in and then he came right in by my feet. Last time he was a couple of pounds, I'd say. I'm gonna cast it again. Let's see if he's still there. Let's see, buddy, if you're still there. You still want that worm? You can have it. What? Yep, think he's there. Yes, sir, buddy, I got him. Yes, sir, man. Woo-hoo. Yeah, nice fish. Real nice fish. Oh, yeah, beautiful fish. Beautiful fish. Beautiful fish, buddy. Look at that, boy. Look at that, man. What a fish. That is a beauty. He came back 2 or 3 times. We haven't caught any more fish, so we're going to keep that one too, I think. We got 1 nice fish each then. That is a beautiful fish. And we got a nice trout down there, boy. Beautiful. Man, this place is alive here. I put some new Stren 8-pound test line on here. I think it's the best time I ever saw my rod cast. It's just so smooth. Look at green color. Man, it is so smooth. Oh my, beautiful fish. Beauty, man. Beauty, beauty, beauty. There's a scar on it. Oh, GoPro battery's low. Man, oh man, I can't get over the fish today. All these fish here. Beautiful, looking very healthy. Well, Andrew got another one back there too, look. Boy, another one, look. Another beautiful, beautiful trout, boy. Look. What a beautiful trout. Look at that monster, look. Wow. Just caught by the lip, look. Out she goes. Barbless hooks are good. There you go again, buddy. My sonny man, you can't cast out there. You cannot cast out there. What are we getting a fish there now? It must be the dinner bell has rung. Well, another beautiful, beautiful fish. How many times can I say that and run off a day, I wonder? Oh, one-ish. This water's some savage, aren't they? We should have counted how many fish we got here today, because we've had a lot. I don't know who caught the most though. Who do you think? Me. It's always you. Feisty little trout. And there we go. Just died. Got a big fish. Let it go. Now with a big scare on. There we go. Made it back to our truck safe and sound. GoPro ran out of battery at one point. We got 2 or 3 real nice fish after the battery went. We didn't even bother to film. We had lots on camera anyway. We had a wonderful day, didn't we, buddy?
We did, yeah.
Yeah, it was pretty good, guys. So we're gonna take off, hit the road, head back to our cabin, and we'll see you on the next video. And until the next video, take care of each other. Get inside and enjoy everything outdoors. We'll see you next time. Guaranteed.
Well, look what happened here.
Got up in town. A friend of mine was selling this one. Unbelievable price. Timing the same day that the other one broke down. I wanted to upgrade to one pretty much exactly like this. So the way I looked at it, it was meant to be. Now watch out now, boys. Watch out now. Need net her. Oh, don't need net.
I'm hiding the spotlight. No, you see you, can't. You're off in the camera. Accusing me of hogging the spotlight. Never. Because it's stupid.
Oh.